Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. And we are back with our T500 Plus Pro smartwatch. And of course, this time we are going to connect its Bluetooth functionality, especially the Bluetooth call and notification functions. Okay, the first version of this one, okay, it's the popular T500 smartwatch. It is very popular due to its price, affordable price, as well as the features. Okay, so it is one of the popular Apple clone smartwatch in the market. So what we have here is the T500 Plus Pro smartwatch. And of course, we are already paired with we are using the HiWatch Pro app. Okay, so we are going to check on its Bluetooth call as well as the message notifications. So we have here two smartphones, okay, a Samsung and a Xiaomi, and we're going to check whether the Bluetooth call for this one or at least the notification works or not. Okay, so to be able to connect or send notifications, you have to go with the notification functions here and activate the permission. Okay, so we are now connected. So let's check. Okay, so we have here several functionalities. We have phone book, we have call logs. Okay, we're just going to focus on the notifications and calls. Okay, so we have again phone book, call logs. So this one is not working well because the transition is not that smooth, but anyway, we are going to use it. Okay, we have phone book, call logs. Okay, we have, let me check. Okay, WhatsApp. Okay, we have remote notifier here. Okay, we also have Facebook. Okay, so here on the settings, of course, you have security settings, Bluetooth settings here. Okay, let's activate it. Here, release connection first. Okay, so you have to release the connection from the smartphone. What else here? We have the clock. Okay, that's it. The volume. Okay, so it's good. We have 4 here. Okay, and set. So let's try first. Okay, tap on the screen. Okay, so let's go first with the phone book. Okay, so we have here the phone book. Okay, tap on it. Okay, so we have here some numbers already. If it's okay, when you paired it with a smartwatch or smartphone, it is already loaded. The numbers here in your smartphone is already loaded here in the smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here. So let's try. Okay, AK1 Ninja phone. So this is the smartphone. Okay, so tap on it. Okay, so we have here the mobile number. Tap on it and it is now calling. Okay, so let's see. It's now dialing. Okay, as you can see, it works. So I'm just going to end it here. Okay, so it works. I'm still looking for the dialer here. If we do have call logs, as you can see here. So lose the dialer, so we have it here. So let's try this one. Okay, so let's call this one. Okay, 09166135541. Okay, So it is also working here, as you can see. So it works. Okay, so can we receive notifications? So let's try. Okay, again, I'm going to use this one, the other one. Okay, okay, so let's wait. So let's message this one. Okay, so this number. Hello. Okay, receive notifications here. Let's see. Okay, so we can receive notifications, and you have the option whether to dismiss it or view. Okay, so it loads. Let's see, did it work? So there's the log on the viewing of notifications here. Again, let's try it again. Where did it go? Messaging. Okay, so there's some issue with the notifications here. Let's do it again. Okay, hello. Okay, let's make it longer here. Okay, okay, so we have here, so hello. So the word is just hello. So just a word, one word here. Okay, okay, so see, seems like that is the problem here with the notifications. Okay, let's do it again. Hello. Let's make it two words. Good morning. Okay. Okay, so we have here, so we have the delay. Okay, dismiss. Okay, so you can receive notifications, but it's somewhat delayed. You can also dial calls here. Okay, with the issue for the notifications, you cannot check it here on the messaging. Okay, let's try to check here in the support app if we set it up properly. Okay, notifications, personal app. So it works here. We already activated it. We have any other options? No one. We have SMS service here, as you can see. So seems like everything is okay here. Okay, so there's an issue with the device itself here. Okay, so far that's it. Okay, so you can receive notifications as well as calls. You can dial calls also. Okay, so far let's see. Okay, okay, so here we are calling the number also, as you can see here. Okay, so it works so far. So you can answer it here. Okay, or you can just deny the call here. Okay, I'm just going to block it. Slide to reject. Okay, so far so it works. Okay, the call notification works. Okay, dialing of call works here. Okay, and of course the phone book also works. Okay, the issue only for this one is the messaging. Okay, you can receive notifications and you can read it here. Okay, but there's a delay, and of course at the same time you cannot read it here in the message functions. Okay, here, see, as you can see, it's not available. Okay, so far the calls, the call logs here works, the dialer works, but the message functions, there's an issue. Although you can receive, okay, notifications, you cannot read the previous messages. The app doesn't store the messages here. Okay, so that's it for the T500 Plus Pro smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the, okay, the Bluetooth call as well as the notifications, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.